Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Bitcoin Daily Stream. Am I on the 5-minute chart? No wonder. I was like, what in the world? Move this up. It's more or less right there. This is locked. Let's lock that up. What is going on, y'all? What's up, Daniel T. Jittle? Is that how you say it? Malena, thank you very much. I appreciate that. What's up, Leo? How you guys doing? Let me go ahead and post the link here. Let's share. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Live from New York. Just kidding, I'm not in New York. Who else is in here? Ward, what's going on, Ward? What's up, Rivers? Yun Tao. Eastwood, what's going on? What's up, Alex? Esco. The mic is fine, man. You gotta turn up your volume. I'm watching the levels right here. Looks good. Uh, 62,450 is kind of in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, I'll take a look at Filecoin. What do I think about coin? We're gonna talk about that. Hold on, I'm still posting this. Let's see. What was I doing? Join me live right now. That's what I'm writing in my post. Join me live right now. So demanding. Let's see, what other page am I putting this on? So Bitcoin has been going crazy the last couple days. It's been a kind of a roller coaster today. Who's been on Doge? Doge is up 32%, 33% today. Where are my Doge holders? Where's my Doge to the moon people at? Let's see, who's holding Doge? Show yourself If you're holding Doge, show yourself. What's up, Ad Hype? We'll jump into some numbers in a bit. $2016 hack? That's crazy. I'm not sure, Brandy. You're on short on Doge? For my Doge holders, check it out. Hold on. Check out the shirt. I had to. It was only right that I wore this shirt today. Who let the Doge out? It was only right that I wore this shirt today because Doge has been going crazy. And FYI, I do not hold Doge. I trade it. I don't hold it. Let's see. Oh yeah, hold on. I gotta finish. I always get distracted. Live now. Yes, I would like to send it. But yeah, it's crazy that has Elon Musk tweeted about Doge the last couple days since it's been taken off? I don't even know. Haven't been keeping up. Alex, you're a Doge holder. Nice. You can get this shirt. I'm gonna show you exactly where you can get this shirt. You guys ready for this? I don't think you guys are ready. Bitcoin Daily Store.store. Bitcoin Daily.store. I never promote this website because I always forget. But if you guys want some Bitcoin gear, right? You guys could come to bitcoindaily.store and check out all the really cool shirts and different gear that we have here, including this hat. So as you guys can see, this hat right here, this is it's on the store. This shirt that I'm wearing, the Doge shirt, is in the store. You guys can see all these shirts right here, including Elon Musk is Satoshi Nakamoto. We got another Doge shirt here, much wow. We got a lot of stuff here. We even have things for women, as you guys can see. We have hats. We got all sorts of cool stuff, so you guys can check it out and check out these happy customers. Look at Julia. I like how she spells it, Julia. I would recommend them and the company without any reservation. Thank you, Julia. You're so kind. How about Catherine? Great service at good prices. Bought some stuff and have never been disappointed. Oh, Catherine. I love Catherine. And let's see Sarah. Notice that they're all girls. Where's the guys? Item exactly as described. Very quick to ship and communication from seller. Thank you, Sarah. So it looks like Julia, Catherine, and Sarah are very happy customers, guys. So I recommend you go to the site and buy some shirts here. FYI, those are all like that comes with the template of this website. So that's why I'm just laughing about that. But yeah, check it out, guys. And maybe you could be one of our happy customers. How about that? And you could even hit chat with us, but I won't get the message because I don't have the app installed on my phone. So good luck if you try to chat with us. right. Anyways, what is going on, guys? What's on your mind today? Are you guys sad that we're down today in some of our coins here? Bitcoin's down 1%. Glenn with the HODL to the end. Roy says Doge to the moon. You're holding $10? How much is that $10 worth now? Burak, gonna buy some Doge when it comes down to the support level. What is the support? I don't even know what the support level for Doge is. Because it's just a straight line up. Where's the support level here? This is just a straight line up. Let's see. I read that one. Tony's World. Are you Spider Crypto? No, but I'm Spider-Man. Samir J, have you realized your channel is getting more popular? What do you mean? Like more subscribers? Waves of Art. You lost 1,000. Oh no. Well, you know what they say, bro. You only lose if you sell. If you don't sell, you didn't lose. So just hodl. I did not buy Coinbase, guys. I don't buy anything that's new in the market because remember, when things are new, it's in price discovery mode. So when in price discovery mode, you don't want to be in it. Oh yeah, this is actually Untitled. This is actually the browser that I use for live streams. So I've opened it and I've just never closed it because it's cool. So you know I just leave it there in case I ever want to look at it again. But yeah, I just haven't closed any of the tabs that I've used. But it's definitely cool. Yeah, there ain't any support levels. Yeah, Doge is just a straight line up. I mean, if I had to try to guess a support level, I wouldn't even know. I don't know. I can't even tell you. So I would have to pull up a Fibonacci tool. I can't see the side of my screen. Hold on, I could almost see it. Am I on the right thing? Here it is. So I'd have to grab my fib retracement. Let's go to the daily. And I guess we could just do this one, this current move, right? So, I mean, kind of here maybe. But it's like the candle hasn't closed, so it could be different areas right now. But if we just put it to the top here, right? Let's see. That's kind of where those Fibonacci levels, where the support could be, possibly. But I mean, who knows? It was just chilling for a super long time there. We can also draw another Fibonacci level starting from here. And let's see if anything lines up. I don't know. It's just crazy looking right now. I mean, it's hard to know where there's a support level. I guess this would technically be a support level, but it's already under it. So, yeah. Let's see. 100K by August is what Maj Reed says. $100,000 in Bitcoin for Bitcoin's price in August. What do you guys think? When do you guys think Bitcoin will hit 100K? Let's see. More live viewers. Samir, actually, when I first started going live, I was getting over 100 viewers a live stream. And now, lately, for the last like month, I'm only getting around 50 per live stream. I don't know why. But yeah, I was getting like 100. And now that I have more subscribers, I get less. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me, but you know? Hello, Motor Passion. Motor Passion. VeChain, Doge, and XRP. Yeah, man. They've been on a wild ride. 11 cents, yeah. 11 cents. There's a Fibonacci level there. Let me see. We got this Fibonacci level kind of there, I would say. And then it's right at that 11 cents whole number. So, I mean, it's a possibility for that to be a retracement level, right? Then I know the support for sure would be 10 cents, right? Because we had 10 cents up here. And it's right on this Fibonacci level as well. So that would be my guess. If I was looking to buy Doge, I'd be looking at that level probably. It's a big whole number. So that's what I would probably look at. But it's up a lot right now, so you don't want to buy when it's up so far. Look at the RSI is completely overbought right now. Look what happened last time when it was overbought. What happened? It went down. So I wouldn't be buying right now if I were you guys. I'd be waiting for this RSI to reset. It's probably gonna have to do something like this. It's gonna go down and then just kind of chill out for a bit. But you just gotta wait right now, see what happens. Let's see. I'm way behind on the chat. Yeah, I'm gonna look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll do an analysis on that. A video on KuCoin. What do you want me to do on KuCoin? Like a tutorial on how to use KuCoin? What do you mean? Nicolás, saludos, mi amigo. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at BTC, and I'll take a look at a few altcoins as well. Let me see. August maybe for 100K. Why BNB go crazy? Because BNB is crazy, B. BNB is loco. You know what's crazy? I haven't checked I didn't check my Binance account for probably like a year or more. Probably like 2 years. I don't know, I think since 2018 or something like that. And I opened it like 2 days ago for the first time. And I had like a bunch of BNB in there that I just had from like 2018 that I bought at $10. So all that BNB is like went crazy. I was like, what the? Yeah, man, I've been practicing my my open mouth thumbnails for sure, trying to get more clicks, you know. But maybe I have to open my mouth wider. I think that's what it is. I'm not I'm not going wide enough yet. I gotta go a little bit wider. I gotta go as wide as I can, right? And then I gotta put it in Photoshop and widen it even more. So it's just huge, you know? And then people are gonna look at it and be like, it's gonna look like my mouth is gonna be so wide, it's gonna look like I'm trying to eat the thumbnail. So people are gonna have to click it, right? They're gonna have no choice. They're gonna look be like, what the fuck does this guy what is this guy doing? You know? So I gotta work on that. Wow, 2:52 a.m. in Singapore. It is 2:57 p.m. here in beautiful South Florida. Sunny South Florida today. Yep, today's sunny. Sunny South Florida. So it's a 12-hour difference. Why are you not sleeping? For sure, Rivers. Make sure, guys. Rivers just said something very, very important. He just reminded me. Make sure to like the video, guys. Very, very important. If and also if you guys want Bitcoin to go to 70,000, you have to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's the only way. I got the direct connect to Satoshi Nakamoto. I got the direct connect to Satoshi. All I gotta do is make one call and we go to 70K. But unless you guys are liking the video and subscribing to the channel, I'm not gonna make the call. So make sure to subscribe and share it with everyone. I don't care who they are. What's up, Steffi? Well, I will be doing a live workshop on the 21st through the 23rd in the Intercontinental downtown Miami. So if any of you guys are interested, I will be doing a live workshop there. It's called Miami Crypto EXP. You can get tickets. You can use my. There's gonna be a bunch of people here, as you can see, a bunch of speakers. BitBoy is also going to be doing a workshop. And there's just a ton of people here, as you guys can see. There's so many people here, including myself, as you guys can see right here. Look at that, looking all cool and stuff, professional. So yeah, so there's a ton of people here. Specifically me, that's gonna be there. So if you're interested in a live workshop, I will be doing a live workshop there that day or those days. I'm not sure which day I'll be doing it yet, but one of those days. Yeah, no more than 5x leverage for sure. XRP going crazy. For sure, Alex. How do you swap one coin for another on KuCoin? You have to like change it from one wallet from like your main account to your trading account, and then you can trade. Then you go and trade. It actually is pretty complicated. KuCoin has definitely made their exchange way more complicated than it needs to be. I don't know why, but they definitely have. Um, so you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, I will make a tutorial on it because I have a tutorial that I made like 2 years ago. It was like my first YouTube video ever, and it is the worst thing I have ever seen. I can't even watch it. It's so bad. I beg you guys, do not watch it. Cream, remind me once we get to altcoins. I'm just talking with you guys for a little bit, and then we're gonna get into some charts here. I'm gonna start with looking at Bitcoin. I want to look at the Coinbase, see what's going on with that price. Let me actually pull it up on the chart. Let me see if I could pull it up on the chart. Coinbase. Yeah, let's pull this up. Look at this big red candle. So let's go to the 5-minute. Yo, look at this. This is crazy. This is a 5-minute chart. All right, let's go in deeper. Let's go to the 1-minute. All right, so this is the 1-minute chart on Coinbase. Let's get this out the way. But do notice that we're oversold. So it's eventually going to bounce, right? But yeah, so this is why I don't trade anything that's new. That's my rule of thumb. Never trade anything that's new because there's no history for the price. So who knows? Like, who's to say which way it's going to go? So it gets super hyped at first. All the people that want to buy it, and then it starts just dropping because there's no, it's in price discovery mode. Like, we don't know what the price is for Coinbase. So yeah, it's just dropping. So I'm gonna let this figure out and discover its price for a bit before I even entertain the idea of putting any money in this. Regardless, I think Coinbase is going to end up being, they've been saying that they're going to be very correlated with the crypto market. And I already have Bitcoin in my portfolio, so why do I need Coinbase stock, right? If you don't have Bitcoin in your portfolio, then yeah, you could definitely do that. But if you do, you don't really need to hold Coinbase. Motor, I have no idea what's the exchange with the lowest commission or simply the best one to use. That's all going to be based on your perspective and what it is you're trying to do. So all that varies. For me personally, to trade, I trade with leverage. So when I'm trading with leverage, I use Bybit. For transferring Bitcoin out, if I want to transfer out into my wallet, into like my bank account or something, then I use Gemini for that. But they all charge commissions. I don't know. I haven't done that much research because they all just kind of seem the same to me. Also, I don't cash out that much or that often. Let's see. Yeah, I've tried to run ads on Facebook before. This is probably like a year ago though, and I didn't get approved because it was about crypto, and they don't. Well, back then they didn't approve ads for crypto. I don't know if those rules changed because I have seen a lot more ads that involve crypto. So I don't know. I'm not sure. I've always had issues with that. Can you show now how to buy a bounce Bitcoin entry? Yeah, it's very simple. So when I say buy a bounce entry, it means, so for example, right now we're at 62 160 something, right? Let's zoom in further into the hourly. So buying a bounce entry is simply if I'm saying 62,000 is a bounce entry, that means that I'm waiting for the price to go under 62. Once it goes under 62, then I set up a buy order above 62. So I'll set it like at 62 something, right? 62 25 or something. I'll have my buy order right here, somewhere there. So I'm not buying when the price is going down. I'm buying when the price is going back up because that's a bounce. So I'm waiting on the bounce to enter. Hence the name bounce entry. So that's all it is. So what you do, you would set an alert on your phone, find an app or anything that alerts you for certain prices. You set an alert at 62K. As soon as it goes down below it, it's gonna alert you. You open up your app, set up your entries, and as soon as it goes back up, it bounces, goes up, boom, your entry triggers. You make $1 million, and you're good. Pretty simple. And then the same thing with above. If I say above 63K, then it just do what the name says. When it goes above 63K, you buy. That's all there is to it. Let's see. I'll look at XRP in a bit. Damn, we're up to 76 viewers. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Make sure, guys, to like the video. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe as well. I think it's the hat. Is it the hat that got you guys in here? I think it's the hat. I don't know. CE Damore, if I had that answer, bro, I probably wouldn't be here. Masood, I do not lie, bro. I have my homie Satoshi always calling me. He's like laughing, bro. He's like, bro, I'm in the top 20 richest people in the world, and they didn't even put me on the Forbes. Like, what's up? And I'm like, bro, that's disrespectful. You know what I mean? And he said, should we hit $70,000 for Bitcoin? And I was like, look, once I get over 10,000 subscribers, then let the Bitcoin price go up to 70K. Until then, let's hold that price down because people not following me. So it's up to you guys. You know, do you want 70,000 or not? If you do, you gotta follow me. 12 noon in Canada. Oh, you must be on the Pacific time, right? Terra Luna. Do I like it? I don't know if I like it. I don't have any of it, if that's what you're asking. Oh, for sure. Rivers, that's a good idea. I need to put my Tesla referral code in the description. Where can you buy Coinbase? Coinbase is in any regular stock exchange. I know Binance is now putting like stocks or stock tokens. I don't know if they have Coinbase. I know they have Tesla. But Coinbase, you have to buy it in a regular stock exchange. Let's pull Coinbase back up. Let me see what it's looking like right now. Oh man, look at this big red dildo. Jeez. All right, hold on. Let's go to the 5-minute again. All right, so it looks like it's getting a little bump right there. Let's go up to 1 minute. You see, so we're super oversold in all time frames, I think, at this point. Is trying to catch a bounce. So it's possible that people are looking to buy below $325. I actually heard this number in a lot of different from a lot of different analysts, that their target for Coinbase, that they were not buying anything above 325, that their target for Coinbase was to buy below 325. So yeah, that might be what's going on right now. You also have the $300 zone. It's a big psychological number. As long as we hold above 300, you know, it might find a support there. If we break below 300, we might drop down to whatever that initial price was, which I think it opened. What was the open at? Like the initial open, I don't know. Like it was supposed to open at like 275 or 250, but then it flew up over $100. So I don't know. It just depends. Well, I'm gonna get into Bitcoin right now. Han Ning, when it comes to when to buy Bitcoin, it's a little bit more complicated than just saying buy Bitcoin now. Um, you have to figure out a little bit more. There's a little bit more that goes into it. So I recommend watching this video. Should I buy Bitcoin now? Check that video out, and then also check out this video right here, Bitcoin Explained, where I go over all the beginner stuff for Bitcoin. So I definitely recommend, if you're new in this space, to do your research first before just throwing money in just because you've heard about it, right? Oh, Binance postponed it. Okay, I didn't know that. What's up, Mary Fox Crypto? Welcome. No problem. Sonam. Next entry point for Bitcoin, probably looking above the next that 63K level or 64K. What's up, FaZe? What's going on? What time go on? I don't know what that means, mate. Do I think we'll have a bigger dip now? I think 62K is a good support level. What's going on, Chico? I'll get into 88 in a bit. What is up? 1%. Clarence, what am I teaching you guys today? I'm gonna go over a few different things today. I'm gonna talk some Bitcoin right now. We're gonna look at the price together, talk some Bitcoin. We're gonna look at Ethereum, and then we're gonna jump into some altcoins. But right now we're watching Coinbase. So Coinbase is jumping back up. All right, so let's jump into this, guys. Let's jump into Bitcoin. We've seen enough of Coinbase here. Coinbase, not really much to look at. It's in price discovery mode, remember. So let's see what happens over the next few days, few weeks. Let's see where we're at a week from now with Coinbase, and then we will reevaluate it at that point in time. Right now is I don't buy into any new coins because there's no way to know what its actual value is. And there's no history, there's no price history, so it's in price discovery mode, and you don't know what the price is gonna do. So let's go ahead and jump into Bitcoin. Let's start here at the daily. For anybody that's panicking, right? So I spoke about this on Friday's video. Wait, what day is today? Today's Wednesday. I spoke about this on Monday's video, on Friday and Monday. Remember I told you guys on Monday's video about this, on Friday and Monday, I told you guys about this flat top pattern that we were seeing here. I said we had a flat top right here. Boom, ascending support, flat top. And I told you that that meant a breakout was coming soon. And that's exactly what happened. We broke out of the flat top which that resistance was 60K. And I told you we would, if we broke out of the flat top, we would break the previous all-time high. And as you guys can see, we broke the previous all-time high once we broke out of the flat top pattern. So now we've got rejected. Basically, we didn't hit 65. It depends what exchange you're looking at. On Bybit, we went up to 64,990. On BitMEX, I think it went up to 65K. So depending what exchange you were looking at it on at the price at, you know, basically we hit $65,000. So I think I spoke about that number. That's halfway to 70. So of course that's going to be a resistance. We're not just going to go, you know, from 60 all the way to 70, you know, in one shot. We're going to move up slowly, right? We're going to kind of grind it out. In the daily right now, we're still not oversold, so we're still good here as far as the RSI. But everything looks pretty good. Like that's exactly what we spoke about on Friday and Monday. So Friday and Monday, we've been talking about this move. A breakout above the flat top would take us to new all-time highs. Exactly what happened. And these are my targets. So I told you guys the flat. So this target right here was for this bull flag here, right? So this bull flag that we had right here, the breakout from this, which happened right here, that's where I got this target from. This target is about $72,000. Now this target right here, this is a different target. Now, how did I get that target? That target comes from this pattern right here, which is the flat top pattern. And it's also a mini bull flag there, right? So that's where that target came from, and that top is around 69,000. So if you kind of take the top, take this pattern and take the lower pattern, you cut it in half. The middle ground on it is $70,000. So that's basically what my target is for Bitcoin. It's not gonna happen in one day. It's not gonna happen in an hour. It's gonna happen over a period of time. You know, just give it a little time, guys. Prices don't just go up. Look at this day yesterday. Yesterday we had a 6% move in Bitcoin, which is $3,667. That's a $3,667 move that we had yesterday. So you can't just expect to continue getting moves like that. Also, another thing with Bitcoin right now is, remember, the Coinbase listing was today. So you know what? This happens all the time in crypto. It's a sell the news event, right? So people buy the rumor, sell the news, buy the rumor, sell the news. It happens in crypto over and over and over. Happens in most markets a lot of times, where they buy the rumor or the announcement, and that's what kind of pumps it up, and it prices in the event, right? And then on the day of the event, everybody sells and people take profits, and that's kind of what happens. What's happening today? You know, since you know, coming up to the event, look at this. The last couple days, we had a 3.9% move, flat day, 2.7% move, 0.5%, 6% move. You know, so people were buying up that announcement and the rumor, and now today people are selling it. So people are taking profits. We're at new all-time highs. People love taking profits at all-time highs. That's another thing to keep in mind. And we're at 65K, which is halfway to 70K. People are going to take profits. So this is normal, guys. There's nothing to worry about here. We could see kind of a bull flag form here in the next few days, or maybe even for the rest of the week, really. As you can see here, we grinded up and now we just kind of going down, right? So we could potentially see something like this, some sort of channel here where we kind of bounce around like that, and retest the top of this flat top. That could be a move. I'm not saying that's what's gonna happen. That's a possible scenario. Remember, you always have to be ready and prepared for any scenario. That's that's why people are always asking me what's my prediction. Like I can't tell you a prediction. I could tell you different scenarios that could happen, and if something in particular happens, what it should lead to. You speak. I always speak in probabilities. None of this is things that I think is gonna happen. It's or predictions. It's just what the market usually does, what price usually does based on what the price is currently doing, right? Um, so yeah, so I think we could bounce around here, or it might just take the day, be taking the day off, be taking the next few days off, and consolidate a bit before continuing up, retesting that previous all-time high. Once we break that all-time high, we should probably head up to 70K, and that's when we hit this target right here that I have. So it's not going to happen overnight, but it's going to happen at some point, right? Let's see. Oh, I got a donation here. Oh my God, I lost my voice and everything. Hold on. Oh, AH. I don't even know what your name. It just says AH. But AH just tipped $2.75, which is 2.29 euros. Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Let's see. Let me catch up with the chat. Bryce, you have come for wisdom on when to buy next. AH is a man. I don't get many tips. So Doge to the moon. All right, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're seeing here in Bitcoin, as you guys can see. This could be a possible potential channel. What I'm guessing here, right? So what I'm looking at is 62K was the previous all-time high, right? So it's normal for something to go back after breaking the all-time high, to go back and retest that all-time high, like we just kind of did right there. So that's a retest of the all-time high, and it bounced. So that's definitely somewhere where I believe 62K should be an area where buyers are coming in. So so 62K is the first support level there. Below 62, then that's when we could drop back to test the top of the flat top, which would be $60,000. So those are the two supports that we're looking at. So the entries that you could take here, that you could look to take if you're looking for a short-term scalp or day trade, I'm looking at entries like literally at 62K, right? That's currently where we're at right now. I'm looking at entries above 63K and above 64 as well. So, and of course above all-time highs. So I always have entries above all-time highs. I love, those are my favorite entries, because usually when you break an all-time high, you set off other buy triggers from people that are looking to buy above all-time highs. You set off stop loss triggers on people that are shorting Bitcoin at all-time highs. People are FOMOing in at all-time highs. So there's a lot of things that go into it. That's why I love entering trades above all-time highs for short-term trades. So as you see there, we just tested that 62K again and got a little bounce off of it again. So let's keep watching that and see what happens. We need it to hold there so that we can continue to the upside, right? Look at Doge, for those that were talking Doge earlier. So we've continued to drop here, and you see that it's about to test that 11 cent area here. So let's see if it tests 11 cents. If that doesn't hold, my target would be 10. I just like 10 a lot more. But let's see how 11 does. Yes, guys, remember to hit that like button if you guys haven't hit the like button yet. We got 75 people in here right now. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure if you guys are not subscribed to hit that subscribe button. Remember, I got the direct connect to Satoshi, to Mr. Nakamoto himself, and we will launch Bitcoin to 70 and 100K once I get over 10,000 subscribers. Just having some fun, guys. What is the platform he's using? This is TradingView. Joshua Scott. This is TradingView, my man. And if you've never used it before and you want to learn how to use it, guess what? You're in luck because I created a tutorial for TradingView. If I could just find it. Here it is. Right here. TradingView tutorial, how to use TradingView. So I talk about how to use it, how to set it up, and the basics that I use when I'm looking through this. So like the way that I have my TradingView set up, like I show you guys what it is that I use and what I do, so you guys can check that out. All right, we got another donation. What is going on, AH? He has donated another $3, well, €3.49. Appreciate it, man. You're holding Matic and 0x. All right, since you donated, we will check those coins out. So let's see, Matic. I'm guessing this one probably has the most volume. All right, let's look at the daily. Let's start from the top, work our way down. Jan, no, I do not think that. You got to zoom out. If you think today's price is bearish, you have to zoom out. We're literally at all-time highs. Like we literally just broke an all-time high. How is that going to be bearish? When in doubt, zoom out. See, like if I look at this coin, super zoomed in like this, and I only see this right here, I'm like, wow, this is bearish. Look at this. Look at all this red. This is bearish because I'm too zoomed in. If I look at it in the 4-hour and I'm looking at this looks bearish because look at this. It's kind of in this channel right here, and it looks like it's trending down, and then now it's just consolidating, right? So it's like, wow, this is bearish. But this doesn't tell you the whole story. Like just a few hours, just a few days does not tell you the full story. You got to zoom out. That's why I always tell people, zoom out. Zoom out of your charts. So that's what I do. See, if we zoom out now how does this look? Does this still look bearish? No, this looks super bullish. So what it looks like we got here is a classic bull flag, right? So you can kind of draw a line like this, line like this. And this is potentially a breakout. So if I'm trying to figure out, okay, where is it going next? The first thing I like to do is put up some Fibonacci levels. One of my favorite things to use. And it just gives me a better idea of support and resistance levels, right? So let's go around the all-time high, right? It's more or less right there. It doesn't have to be perfect because remember, trading is never ever exact numbers. It's an area. So this more or less gives us the area of where support and resistance can be. So we're looking here, we're like, okay, 55 cents is basically the all-time high. It's not letting me make a circle. There you go. 55 cents, basically all-time high. Let me get this out the way. And ever since this huge move, it's been kind of going down, right? Now, why has it been going down? Well, it was super oversold here on the daily chart. So it needs to reset its RSI. It's overextended. When you see it like this, that means that it's overextended. It needs to consolidate. It needs to, just chill out for a while. And that's what it's been doing here. So as you guys can see here, it looks like it came all the way down and it used this support. That's the 38.2% Fibonacci level. And you can see here, like it just went below it and then it bounced right back up. And then it just kind of stood right at that support. And now this is potentially a breakout out of this channel. So a breakout above there, the first thing that we're looking at is this resistance right here. That's around that 40-cent area, right? That's close enough to 40 to call it 40. So I'm gonna call this Fibonacci level 40 cents. That's an even number. It's also a Fibonacci level. So that's two different things that are causing a resistance there. Now, if I'm trying to figure out where will my next, if this is indeed a breakout, where will my target be? So I'm gonna measure from the bottom of this pole on this bull flag to the top of the pole on the bull flag, and that's gonna give me an idea of what to expect on a breakout for a target. So that's gonna give me about 69, let's call it 70 cents as a target for the next move up. So remember, this is a bull flag. A bull flag means that there is an impulse move up and a consolidation period within a channel, and it's usually going down. That means that it's resting, it's consolidating, it's overextended, it needs to reset. After this period, there's usually a breakout, which is what we're seeing right here. And first a retest, usually there's a retest of the previous high. And then on a breakout above there, it gives us this target. So this is more or less the target that we could aim for. It's currently trading at 38 cents, potentially could hit 70 cents. So almost doubling from where it's currently at. So that's just a quick little analysis on there. When setting a buy order, a buy trigger in Bybit, can you also set a TP already? No, you have to wait for the entry to be triggered. Unless you set up the order automatically with the TP, but that's gonna sell your entire position. So you want to set different take profits, but you don't set that up until your order has triggered. Daryl, we're gonna take a look at Bitcoin right now. In a second, hold on. I was gonna check out 0x. Let's see what that's been doing. All right, so from here more or less to there, lock that up. Let's see what levels this gives us. This is usually. All right, it said I got disconnected. Are you guys still there? My internet always does this. I feel like it does this all the time. I'm always getting disconnected. All right, cool. All right, so I was looking at 0x. Yeah, so it looks like the high here is 240. It's currently kind of forming another little mini bull flag here. So you guys could see that it formed, if you look back, it formed this big pole and this channel right here. There's a consolidation channel. What this channel means is this is a bull flag, right? Then it had another move up, another consolidation period. It's another bull flag. Now another move up and another possible consolidation period before it probably retests this previous high and continues up, which I would imagine, right? So kind of the same thing. Let's see, let's measure this first. The original bull flag here. From its breakout was right around here. Let me see. More or less right here is where it broke out. That gives us a target of around 267-ish. And then went up to 240. So it definitely has some room to go. But like this gives us a target of around 260 probably. All right, let's see. Miguel, what's up from Peru? Does it get down? What? We still here. Awesome. Latica. Yeah, guys, make sure to sub up. We are so close right now to getting that 7,000 subs. And I'm looking at my notifications. I have a bunch of notifications here. I was gonna look at the subscribers. We're at 6,979 subscribers right now. So we need 21 new subscribers. We're almost there, guys. So if you guys are new here, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Mondays and Fridays, we always do market analysis and we give you guys trade setups that we're watching. So Mondays, we give trade setups that we're watching for the week. Fridays, we give trade setups that we're watching for the weekend. So for example, this Monday, we gave you trade setups to buy above 60K. If you would have bought above 60K, you would have made some really nice profits. Friday, we told you guys to buy above 58,500. If you would have used that trade, you would have made also some very nice profits. Looks like Bitcoin is currently under 62. So let's see if we get back up or if we get pushed back down. We need it. We need to make sure we need that candle to close above 62,000. If we close below 62,000, we could potentially retest the top of this flat top pattern, which is at $60,000. Another donation. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. out here killing it. That's his third donation of this live stream. I've been live streaming for an hour and he's made 3 donations. €3.49. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Let's see. Shane, done. Appreciate it, Shane. Thank you so much. Daryl says, oh wait, you entered Matic at 17 cents. Nice. 0x at 32. Very nice, man. Daryl says, I want to know if Ethereum goes up and stays up with a minimum of 2,000 or does it go down? So 2,000 is going to be a big support level for Ethereum. We just got to see what Bitcoin does. It's holding up pretty good here above 2,300, even with Bitcoin going down. So you see that Bitcoin is down right now about 3%, and Ethereum is still in the green. It's up almost 1%. So it's holding up pretty good. So as long as it keeps holding up like this, I think we should be fine. I don't think it'll go below 2,000 at this point. Unless, of course, there's a big dump. So if there's a big dump off, guys, then of course, you know, the prices are going to go down for everything all around the market. Everything will go down in that scenario. I'm getting notifications from my bot. What is this? XRP. Yeah, so I'm working currently on a bot, guys. I'm working on a trading bot right now. That I want to offer to people to be able to sign up and make like a passive income type of thing, where basically tweak. Right now I'm fine tuning the bot and the strategies that I'll be using with the bot. But over the last, I've been running it now for almost a week, and my goal is to average $100 a day. So I was doing $100 a day. Right now I've scaled it up because I wanted to see how far I could push it with more money. So for example, today I'm up. Yesterday I made about $1,000, and today I'm up $1,500 with the bot in profits. So I'm fine tuning it still because XRP is what's been performing the best. So I'm still tuning Ethereum. The Ethereum bot's been doing pretty good as well. I'm still fine tuning the Bitcoin bot. And EOS bot has been doing pretty good as well. I just don't have that much money in it. But that's the goal. The goal is to create another service where, you know, people could basically invest, like they can buy the service for the bot, and you know, we trade for you, and you just kind of let your money sit there, and you don't have to. This is the best thing. You don't have to give us your money. You don't deposit money to us. Nothing like that. All those things are scams. If anybody asks you to give them money directly, like to trade, that's a scam. All you do is leave your funds in your account that we're going to be trading on. And you have to create an API key, which that's how we connect our bot to make trades on your account. So your funds are safe. They're on your account. The only thing that we have access to is to opening and closing trades. It's pretty cool, but it's very complicated. So it's gonna be about a month of testing, and then a slow rollout period where I'm testing it on different people. I'm starting out with family and close friends, and then rolling it out, you know, to my group, my trade team, and then from there I'm gonna roll it out to the public. So I'll have a page up soon on that, which should be cool. It's gonna be cool. I think if it works out the way I see it working out, it's gonna be really something really cool. All right, so let's move this up, right, to its new all-time high, which is 24. So my target here, you saw that we hit this target. Remember, I gave you guys two different targets for Ethereum. My first target was this one right here. Boom. Guess what, guys? We smashed it yesterday. So congrats if you guys were holding through this like I did. We smashed that target. That was 2250. So we've hit that target finally. And I called this target. Remember when I called this price target down here? That's when I called this. That was on March 29th. So about 2 weeks ago, right? 2 weeks ago, I told you guys my target here for Ethereum was 2250. Now, I gave you guys a new target on Friday or on Monday. That new target was based on this new bull flag, right? This is a bull flag consolidation breakout, and my new target is right here. Whoops, does not let me make a circle. Here we go. Which is around that $2,500 level. So that's my next target for Ethereum right now, $2,500. And you can see that we went all the way up to 2,400. So it's only a matter of time. That's my next target for Ethereum. Let me see here. All right, guys. So we're at 6,981 subscribers. We need 19 more of you. So we have 77 people in here right now, right? We need 19 of you. Is there 19 of you that are not subscribed currently in the channel? If there is, hit that subscribe button. Trying to get to 7K, guys. All right, let me see. I want to know if Ethereum goes up and stays. Okay, I already answered that. So Ethereum, I don't think is going to go back down. If we were to retrace, the levels are going to be 2,300, 2,200, and 21 before going back to 2,000. And 2,000 is going to be a very strong level, which I believe we would hold in that event. So I don't think, unless there's something where the entire market goes down like 10-20% type of thing, you know, other than that, I don't believe so, because let's see how much of a drop that is. Where is my price range? There it is. So from the top here, need to put my magnet back on, to 2,000. That's a 16% drop. So we would need a 16% drop just to go back to 2,000, which in crypto, it happens all the time, right? So we can, but right now, as of this very moment, I don't believe that we are at the moment, right? We can in the future if something changes, but right now we're looking good. All right, let's see. What's my favorite coin to hold? So like I said many times, my favorite coin is Bitcoin by far. After that, my second biggest holding is Ethereum. And after Ethereum, I honestly don't even know. Let me see. Hold on, I have to check. Okay, so after Ethereum, my third largest holding is the coins I just found a few days ago in my Binance account, which is Binance Coin. So when Binance was going crazy, I was like, I feel like I had Binance coins at some point. So that's actually my third biggest holding, and that's because I bought them at $10. I've had them since 2018. After that, it's Litecoin and then XRP and Cardano. Let's see. Do we expect a dip on the 26th of this month? So there's been a dip every time that the option contracts have been expiring for the last few months. So it's definitely a possibility that that it happens again. But you know, right now we're still about 2 weeks away. So let's see what happens within the next week is what I would say. Um, but yeah. Stormgain? No, I have not tried out Stormgain. I don't remember, guys. I'm mostly a trader, um, and I trade with leverage. So what I trade the most is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everything else I play around with a little bit, but my focus is solely on day trading Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't put a lot of um, I don't put a lot of time into altcoins and into looking for new projects and stuff like that because I can make the same returns or even better just by day trading it with leverage, right? Let's jump into some Cardano. I like Cardano. Cardano finally got some movement and set a new all-time high. You can see that it kind of stalled for a bit, and it's still kind of in this consolidation period here. But remember, when we broke out of here, I said, you know, 150 was my target, and we hit 150. Then we went back down, and then we kind of broke out. I thought that we would, you know, check this again, but we went just under it. We did hit 150 again though. Then we went back down. Then we just this is actually the time when the options expirations were coming. So that's why everything went down. Then I said last week, I told you guys right here. Remember, I told you guys last week actually. I said this was my buy area right here. So I drew it out for you guys and everything. I was buying under 118. And as you guys can see, it bounced off of 118 and it went all the way up as high as 157. Yeah, it touched 157, setting up a new high here for the year for Cardano. And now it's probably gonna, I don't know, it might just kind of do this again, or let's see if it holds up here above 140 and we can, you know, get back to 150. But not much has changed on it. We're still just kind of waiting to see what happens here. We need to get a breakout to kind of see. But I mean, if you look at this, it's really a big bull flag, right? If you zoom out. So you can see this huge bull flag kind of thing here. It's ugly, but up, then it consolidation down, and then this is the possible breakout here. So if we measure this, and of course we're looking at it on the weekly time frame. So this would be, any measurement here is very long term. But if we took this impulse move to the top of this and moved it to the possible breakout, which would be around here, that gives us a target of about 240, right? So that's gonna be, this is talking about, you know, longer term targets here. Look how long it took for it to get from 40 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in 4 weeks, it got there. So it would take, I would imagine, something like that, another 4 weeks or so if there's nothing crazy that happens in the market that pushes prices down, then this is a possible target. But it would be 4+ weeks, so a month or two plus for that target to come through. So I'll leave that there so we can keep an eye on it with this target here. See what happens. But yeah, that's the weekly time frame. So anything on the weekly time frame is a lot slower moving. Let's see. No problem, Daryl. Appreciate your question. Thank you for tuning in. So it's a bot that I'm currently working. I'm working with someone to create the platform for it. So it's something I'm working on right now. You transferred from Binance to Coinbase? I don't know. You're gonna have to check with them, Gasper. That's weird. You transferred 60 euros and you only got 30 cents? That's really weird. If it was Ethereum and you transferred while gas fees were really high, it's a possibility. So you have to check what fees you had to pay. XRP. So the resistance right now on XRP is at $2 mark. So that's that next spot that we're looking at. Beyond $2, we could be retracing back to that 50-cent level, as it's already done today, I think. Yeah, it went today is, well, probably this morning it went as low as 152. So yeah, so that 152 area, that 150 area is a Fibonacci level here, so that's a retracement level. Beyond that, it's 130, around 130, and then comes that 110 area. So hopefully we don't go that low, but we are overextended at this point in XRP. This is the daily time frame. We're overextended right now. I'm sharing the 4-hour. Let's see. So the 4-hour we were overextended, and we're currently getting back into that neutral territory. Let me see. So we're still overextended on the daily. It's probably gonna have to chill a little bit between these two. It might drop down as low as 130 or something like that before a continuation up. That next level we have to break is $2. If we break $2, it might send straight to $3. So that's something to be ready for. If you're day trading it, then above $2 is where you want to be prepared, because we might retest above $2, could send us to retest the previous all-time high. So that's currently what I see. Also, any bullish news from the SEC versus XRP case would send Ripple, possibly, if we break up, would send Ripple above $2, and that should trigger possibly going up to new all-time highs, or to at least retesting that previous one. So you have to watch out for that, because in the same way, any negative news in that case would send the prices lower. So you have to be prepared for that. Mile Bean. You were scammed. Yeah, it sucks. A lot of people, especially when they're new, they get scammed. It's 4 a.m. in your country. Where are you? What country are you in? That's crazy. Why are you awake? Are you working or something? Why are you up right now at 4 a.m.? That's crazy. Appreciate you tuning in though. What is this guy here? All right, let's see. I'm catching up with the chat right now, guys. We're at 58 likes. Let's see how many new subs we got. Any new subs? Any new subs? Let's see where we at. 987, guys. We're at 987. That means we need 13 more new subs, and we will hit 7,000 subscribers. If we, all right, I'm gonna stream for about 15 more minutes. If we hit in those 15 minutes, if we hit 7,000 by the end of the stream, I will do a giveaway for our membership. I'll do a membership giveaway. The way that you would enter this giveaway is that you, at the end of the video, you drop a comment. Drop a comment on the video, and I'll do a giveaway that way. So we're at 987 right now. If we get to 7,000 subscribers in the next 15 minutes, it's 403 here at 415. I'll do 418 just to be exact. I'll do a giveaway of a membership. So let's see if we hit it. All right, let's see. XLM has been killing it. Yeah, I saw XLM. USD. I know XLM was yesterday, had a really good day. It went up 11% yesterday. So it's definitely been killing it. I think this week, XLM is up 33% this week. Look at Dogecoin, up 115%. That's wild. Binance Coin up 45%. Demetrius, thank you for subscribing, man. Appreciate it. I'm sorry if I'm answering the comments late, guys. I'm catching up since I was doing the analysis on the coins. When I'm doing an analysis, I can't read the chat at the same time. So I'm trying to catch up now. All right, let me see. Demetrius, subscribe. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Gasper, I don't know. That's really weird, man. Check the transaction. See, it should tell you what type of fees you paid. Reef Monster. That's good, Mr. Rogers. What you can do, just continue to learn and open up a paper account where you trade with fake money, and just use fake money while you're learning so you could practice, because at the end of the day, experience is one of the most important things that you need in trading. So no matter how much you learn, how much time you spend learning, you have to actually do it to gain that experience. You know what I mean? So I would definitely recommend, while you're learning, to open up, find a paper account to open up. where you trade with fake money, and trade with fake money, start practicing, start putting what you're learning into action. Yes, guys, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and donate to show your support. Thank you, my brother, who wrote the kind words. All right, let me see where we're at with subscribers. We're at 90, 990, guys. 10 away. We already looked at XRP, so you can check. You can go back on the video and you'll be able to see it. I literally just did XRP. I don't know when you asked that. I do not have Doge. We already went over Doge though. But I have the bot trading Doge, and it's made some money. So that's all I got. What I do have is a Doge shirt. That's what I do have. That's what I got for you guys. Yeah, I don't hold Doge. AH with another donation. Thank you. Another €2. Appreciate it, AH. Damn, that's what? That's 3 or 4 donations today? That's crazy, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. AH is a man. Do I have Amazon coin? So you're asking like about the Amazon stock? So it looks like it's just been trading in this channel for a very long time. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Look for how long it's been trading here. It's pretty crazy. Let me see. So it's kind of doing something like this. See if we can get these levels right. It looks like something like this right now, right? So let's actually get the move up as well. All right, we got the move up. So it's been on this Fibonacci level, it looks like, for a while now, on this 23.6% level. It's been trading there basically since what, July of last year. So since July, hasn't really done much. Whoops. But in the long term of things, remember, this is a weekly. So this is a bull flag here. This is technically a big impulse move up, bull flag, you know, the consolidation. So you would expect at some point a breakout to retest the previous all-time high and to possibly continue up higher. So if you were to try to measure here the move of this bull flag, it'll be more or less something like this, the move of the pole. So this now depends where the breakout happens. You would kind of put this, and I mean, this is a really big move though. So I don't know if if full move would happen, but this is one potential target, and that's basically a $5,000 target. But remember, we're looking at it in the weekly time frame. So remember, this move here started in March of 2020. So this move literally started at the end of that crazy month we had in March, that drop. So it's been over a year. So that means for it to hit this price, it could take another full year for that to happen, right? That's why this is a very big timeline that we're looking at right now. So on a smaller timeline, it would maybe look something like this, where we measure the bottom here to the top here and give us something like this on a shorter time frame, which gives us a target of about $4,000. And again, it is a shorter time frame, but this has been going on since August of last year. So it's also almost been a year. So we're talking, this could happen. This is a move that could potentially happen. Maybe now with earnings, we could move up to the previous all-time highs. Then the next quarter earnings, it could potentially take us up to that 4,000 level. But I love Amazon. Amazon is basically taking over the world, and I use it all the time. So I do hold Amazon as well. And I don't know if this is, hopefully yours, because you said Amazon coin. I don't know if you're talking about Amazon in the stock market or like a coin called Amazon in crypto. All right, let me go back. Yeah, we always have a hater on here, someone toxic that wants to come in and, they're having a bad day, they're having a bad life, so, they have to come and try to rain on other people's parades, They don't like to see other people do good. That's why there's that saying, misery loves company, but I don't give energy to those people. Sometimes on Instagram, I like to troll them though. I'm not gonna lie. On Instagram, in the comments section, sometimes I go in and just troll people just for fun. I just like to roast people sometimes. Daryl, what triggers an upward move? Just really Bitcoin dominance going down. So we spoke about this on Monday. Bitcoin dominance, the lower it goes, the higher altcoins go. But if it moves up, then altcoins will probably go down. So that's what I would say. Nice. You made $1,000 profit. Very nice. From Malaysia, you need to work at 9 a.m. Dude, you're crazy. Go to sleep, man. Appreciate you tuning in, man. But get some rest. You gotta be tired. All right, guys, we got 4 minutes to go. We're at 6,993 subscribers. We got 64 people in here. Come on, guys. We need 7 more subscriptions, 7 new subscribers, and I will do the giveaway. I don't want to say your name wrong. Xenia? I don't know. But thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Where do I flip bearish for Bitcoin when there's a reason to be bearish? I trade with the trend. I don't trade against trend. So there's no reason to be bearish. Futures trading. Gasper. Yeah, I remember you, Gasper. I always remember people like their names. Daryl, yeah, how they explained. What's up, Desiree? Membership? Yeah, let's take a look at an update. Let's see an update on Coinbase. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart because there's really not much to see on any other chart. So you can see when we told you guys around, it was around 310, 315, and we said that it was oversold over here. It's on the 1 minute chart, but it's still something. And it looks like it bounced there. So perhaps that 300 level is a possible level to buy in for Coinbase coin, Coinbase stock. However, like I said before, I'm not buying this right now. It's in price discovery. So until price settles, I'm not looking to enter any trades there. Daryl says he doesn't want to miss a word. Appreciate it, man. Esco, I mostly trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are the two coins I focus on. How far is Bitcoin dropping? Like I said earlier, I think that 62K is a support. The next support after that is 60,000, Steven. I did not notice XLM and XRP. That's pretty interesting. That I know that they've both been moving, but I didn't know they had any type of correlation in their movement. So that's definitely interesting. Gasper, I already went over ADA. I said that it looks good. It needs to hold up above 140. Well, I mean, if you really want to be a part of the team, Miguel, I have a link in the description if you want to join. Um, you know, if not, if we hit the subs, all right, it's 418. I'm gonna give you guys 2 more minutes. We need 5 more subscribers for 7,000, and I'll give away a membership. We got 74 people in here. I know there's 5 people in here that are not subscribed. I'm just catching up on the chat, guys. Oh man, I lost myself. Hold on. Where am I? Daryl, subscribed. Thank you, Daryl. Appreciate it. Okay, DVD. So you must have filled up some of your orders. I think it hit 61.5, didn't it? Sia Coin, I honestly have not looked at Sia Coin in a very long time. What's up, Arlo? Welcome to the channel. When do you think it's best to invest? It's kind of a complicated question. It depends what you're trying to do. What type of investing are you trying to do? Are you day trading? Are you scalping? Are you buying and holding? Like, what are you doing? Need more information. All right, I think I went over it, unless it was a stock. It wasn't the stock. I did not know I had followers in Iran. Mohsen. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yep, definitely. The support of, you know, you guys liking the video and subscribing costs you absolutely nothing. For me to make the videos, like for YouTubers and streamers, it's actually hard work, believe it or not, guys. Like, it is hard work. I have to designate hours of my time every single day to make the videos. I have to come up with the video, what I want to do. I have to, then create it. I have to first come up with the idea. Then I create the video, right? It takes me at least an hour or two to create the video. And even right now, when I do live streams, like I've been streaming for about 2 hours now. So I have to create the video. I used to have to edit the video myself, right? I no longer edit it because that was just too frustrating for me. It took me way too long. I would spend like 4 hours editing, plus around 2 hours coming up with the video and shooting it, sometimes more. I'd be spending every day about 6 to 8 hours making these videos. So my first 6 months doing YouTube, I spent 6 to 8 hours creating videos, guys, and I got paid $0 for it. And even at this point, I have ads running, and the ads, it doesn't even cover my video editor. So I pay my video editor to edit my videos weekly, and what I make off of YouTube doesn't even cover the cost of my editor. It covers about 75% of the cost, but it doesn't cover the cost yet. So I do this for free, essentially. This is, I give you guys all this information for free. It's a lot of work. So just subscribing and liking the video and dropping comments on it for YouTubers, like, it means a lot, because that's what keeps us going at the end of the day, that we see that people appreciate what we're doing and the time and effort that we're putting on, and it makes us want to put more time and effort into it when we see that type of response. You know what I mean? So every time I hit new milestones in subscribers or likes or views, like, it gets me excited to make my next video. So I definitely do not do this for money. It's crazy because the thing that makes me the least amount of money is what I spend the majority of my time on. So it is a crazy thing to think about. All right, let's see. Followers from Macedonia. Awesome, Christian. Much love from Iran. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Going down the list. I'm not looking at any more coins, guys. I'm pretty much done here. I'm just, as I catch up on the stream, I'm checking to see if we hit 7K subscribers. And right now we're 1 subscriber away. 1 subscriber away, guys, and I will do a giveaway. Gasper got a sub from your brother. Amazing, man. Thank you. Thank you, Mohsen. That means a lot, hearing those kind of words. Thank you so much. Yeah, DVD. Coinbase is a gamble right now. Like, today's not a good day to put money in it. I trade Bitcoin and Ethereum on Bybit. So if you guys wanna use Bybit and you wanna use my referral, because this is actually one of my ways of making money on YouTube, is if you guys use my referral links in the description below. So you guys could just go to any of my videos. If you just click it and open up the description, and you scroll down a little bit, you can see some of my referral links. And I have here, like, if you want to join my VIP trading room, if you want to trade on Bybit, which is the exchange that I use. And I also have tutorials on how to trade on there if you guys are new to it. I have a Bitcoin University course for $10, and I have a bunch of other stuff that you guys can look through, including my merch store. Remember, guys, you guys want some cool gear, make sure to check that out. All right. Joshua Scott, that if you're trying to link your bank account somewhere, that all depends on the country that you're in. That's solely dependent on that. So make sure to check that out. All right, guys, guess what? Guess what, guys? Let me see if I can pull it up. See if I can pull it up here. Why can't I open my page? Hold on, guys. Oh, it's not showing. Why isn't it showing it on my page? It still has us at 6.99K subscribers. But on my app, on my app, it's showing 7,000 subscribers, guys. We did it. 7,000 subs. You guys are the best. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. All right, so we appreciate your help, Josh. Thank you. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Your free time is priceless. It is definitely priceless. Yeah, for sure, Daryl. It needs to be good quality and good presentation. Like, you can't just put up anything, you know. Thank you, Rivers. Appreciate it. Thank you, Molson. Yeah, I'm not worried about the money, Majinder. Thank you, Jit. I don't know how to say your name, man. How do I pronounce it? How do I pronounce that name? Manjinder. I don't know. I don't know if I'm saying it right. But thank you for subscribing. You go. There's that sub. Yep. Thank you so much. Patry. Yes, definitely soon. Thank you guys so much for the 7K. We definitely hit 7K today, guys. You guys have been amazing. So I promised you guys I would do a free membership for hitting 7K. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna tell you how it's gonna work, right? So in order to qualify for this membership, you're gonna drop a comment on this video. Not in the chat. Don't do it in the chat. In the actual video where the comment section is, comment on the video. Comment your favorite part of the video and why. So I want you guys to put, so the way you could tag the timing of the video, just put the time. So let's say, for example, I was talking about Bitcoin at 30 minutes. Just put 0:30, right? And it'll tag the time, and then put, I liked this because I liked your hat, you know, or whatever it is. That's it. Do that. In a little bit today, I'm gonna do the giveaway within the hour. I'm gonna give you guys 1 hour to drop the comments. In an hour, I will do the giveaway. I'm gonna do it on. I guess I'll do a video. I'm thinking. I guess I'll do a video, like a short video on Instagram. So if you guys are not on Instagram or should I do like a short story post? So I'll do both. For those that are not following me on Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, it's bitcoin.daily. Um, and what I'm gonna do a short story here where I'm gonna do the giveaway, and that's how you'll know. And then if you win, just message me, send me a DM, and I'll get you set up in the chat. $7K, baby. Yup. 7,000 subs. We did it, guys. Appreciate everybody that participated today. Soon there will be $70,000. Soon there will be 70,000 followers, subscribers. I have no doubt in my mind. I am committed to this and committed to you guys. So thank you guys so much. It means a lot. That next step is to get to 10K subscribers. So yeah, thank you guys so much. What's up, Kent? Appreciate you tuning in, Kent. You tuned in at the end, but appreciate you. Cheetah. Okay, cheetah. It's Dutch. Yeah, I really can't pronounce it at all. Yeah, for sure. What's up, A9? Thank you for joining. You're a little late, but it's better late than never. Nah, you don't need to mention that. I guess at the end of it, let me see. I guess comment on the video, and put so at the end of it, put hashtag giveaway. There you go. That's what we could do. At the end of it, do hashtag giveaway. So let me see. For yeah, you can definitely let me see. Does it let you comment while it's live? So I don't know. I don't think it lets you comment while it's live, because I don't see the option here to comment. But at the end of the video, once the video ends, you will have the option to comment. So so yeah, that's pretty much it. Hashtag giveaway, and that's it. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys next week. You tuned in right when I said I needed one more sub. Appreciate it. No worries, Science Rocks. You can check out the video. You could check the replay. It's gonna be on YouTube on my page. Yeah. So yeah. So make sure to comment. Remember, guys, comment in the comment section once the video ends, not in the chat. All right. So I'm gonna end the video now, so you guys can go ahead and comment, and then within the next hour, I'll do the I'm gonna pick one. I think I'm gonna randomize it or something, and then I'm going to I'm gonna announce it on my Instagram. Okay, so my Instagram story. So make sure to follow me on there. That's gonna be the easiest way for me. So I'll post it on my Instagram stories. So it's bitcoin.daily on Instagram. That's where I'm going to post it. Alrighty, guys. See you on the next one. Peace and love.